Morning everyone, I hope you're doing well. Hold on one second. I've got the air conditioner going. Okay. And the fan going in the window and the fan going in there. Anyway, I'm up and ready. I'm just sitting up here because Ash has an appointment. She's doing somebody's makeup. I just went down and said hello because I know them. So I figured let me go say a quick hello. Now, my order just came from Tastefully Simple. Tastefully Simple has come out with snacks. And the snacks are, this is one of them. It comes in a box of 4 packets, I think. I can't remember off the top of my head. But these are pizza protein crisps. They came out with white cheddar something, and they come out with smoky sunflower kernels. Kernels or kernels? Kernels. And they came out one other thing. What was the other thing? Can't remember, but I'll show you them all. I just wanted to bring up one packet and see what it was like. Now I wish I had my thing up here, but I don't. This is what they look like. They look like little cheese puff balls actually. So let's see. I'm gonna be honest, because I find all these like snack things that are better for you, and I'm like, oh my god, they're so good, and then I'm like, no, they taste like cardboard. Okay, guys, I can do these. Oh, they're good. They're really tasty. Naturally flavored pizza protein crisps. 14 grams of protein per serving, 2 grams of carbs, 1 gram of sugar, and clean. It's a clean label. Let's see. The back literally says 90 calories per serving. How many in a serving? Is this one serving? Serving per container. Okay, so 1 packet. Total fat 4%, saturated fat 5%, trans fat 0, cholesterol 5 milligram, 2%, sodium 11%. Is that high? Total carbs 1%, dietary fibers 0%, total sugars 1 gram 0%, and protein 25%. So not too shabby. But anyway, let's see if Roxy likes them. Roxy smelled it. She's like, no, thank you. Want it? No. All right, that one's going in the bin, so you don't think I'm gonna eat it, because she sniffed it. Anyway, Ash is doing the makeover. Like I said, she then wants to go over to New Jersey. I've told her I'm not going, but I feel bad that she drives that far on her own. Like, it's boring. Not that she can't. She certainly can. She drives all over the place. She's been out to Long Island, all sorts, but we'll see. We'll see when she's going and how I feel. Ashley to New Jersey, to the Morphe store. If anybody watches this that knows Jeffree Star, let him know that Ash goes every weekend to the Morphe store in New Jersey, because it's the closest one to buy his products. She needs to be on his PR list ASAP.
Jawbreaker collection. I want everything, but it's a lot of money.
His what?
His new Jawbreaker collection is huge, and I want everything, but I don't have the money for it. I'm not buying the highlight palette and a highlight and some lips first.
I'm gonna get a couple of brushes soon as we're going, but we're supposed to stop at Starbucks, but she forgot. She's too focused on getting to the store, because then her and her dad are going on the boat later. So will you video for me? Pete's working a job that delivering all the pictures and taking pictures. He said he's been running around like crazy, so he's taking half an hour to eat something, and he should be home around 3-ish.
In 1.2 miles, keep right onto Garden State Plaza.
Made it to New Jersey.
I've got the drive-thru actually.
She found it again. She's got this down pat now. clothes. We're in Express right now. She's going to look for some clothes you can wear out, and she's doing makeovers. So the pink and the orange. My favourite store. Check out. This is hers as well. Did well, didn't you?
She'll say innocent.
Got to listen to how the lady.
Turn right, then turn right.
No, maybe not.
Turn right onto Akia Drive.
Ikea.
Turn right onto State Route 17.
Ooh.
Oh, hello traffic.
So the older people probably don't want to let people in.
And the big buses are going to let us in. Thanks, mate. Snot. And then he waves. What are you waving at? Yeah, I got you on video, mate.
Oh, I just said that.
No, I know. I'll have to figure out how.
Sorry.
He's a New Yorker and all. Be nice. We're fellow New Yorkers.
I forgot you were recording.
Use the middle lane to keep left onto New Jersey 17 north towards Moa. Then keep right onto New Jersey 17 north towards Moa.
Mua. Oh, this is what I don't like about New Jersey.
Because like, no one lets you
No one lets you in, and it's like frickin' frack going forwards and.
Alexis didn't want to let me in before. And they were driving super slow to be a jerk to the one trying to get over to
New Jersey 17 north towards Moa.
Mawa. We're going to Mawa.
Jersey has some weird like names.
Stay in the left 3 lanes.
Just like Connecticut has my anus.
Made good time getting back as well. The traffic wasn't bad at all. She drives like a pro anyway. I hate driving in Jersey. But anyway, she doesn't, and she wants to go to Morphe, and that's where it is. So she got what she needed. My big purchase of the day was I did need makeup brushes. So when we were in Morphe, I did get the, oh, where are you guys? Okay, it's still videoing. You went off the screen. I did get the Morphe live-in color brush set because I needed some more makeup brushes. It's a 7-piece eye brush collection, custom case, collection of 7 pin. Oh, that's a different language. Oh shit! And then I love. Can't see. This is a little teeny tiny, very thin eyeliner pencil, which I love these ones because I got one when we went to IMATS and I love it, so I got another one. So Pete and Ash are going to go out on the boat. Pete managed to have a little lie down after he got back from taking pictures and delivering pictures and all that good stuff. So he had a little lie down. He got home at 3, so he's had a couple of hours. And I said to him, I can't make the boat. And he goes, I didn't think you would, but off they go. They'll go for a ride. I don't know, they'll be gone a couple of hours. And I've just made a lovely cup of tea, which I'm dying for. And I'm going to sit up here, drink it, and stretch out. Because that mall is one busy mall. Because the malls in New Jersey don't open. There's no shops open on a Sunday. I don't know if that goes for grocery stores, but malls and those kind of shops don't open on a Sunday. So it's very, very crowded on a Saturday. Very crowded indeed. But anyway, I'm going to go drink my tea while it's hot, and I will talk to you guys later. Ash will video some of the boat, and I will insert it where necessary. live one. It is 10:42. We've just been watching live PD. Let me tell you something. I know they say that crooks are not the smartest people. The ones tonight are just downright stupid. Roxy. Hi to you, Roxy. Anyway, guys, I'm going to love and leave you for this evening. I hope everyone had a brilliant Saturday. Whatever it is you did today. I don't know where to go with the... Whatever you did today, I hope it was a good one. And we'll definitely see you tomorrow. Good night.